Hello, woo! Hi Sam, this is your mommy and I want to show you some cool stuff. Ready? So first, I'm going to show you how to zip. Now you've been doing a zipper for a long time. Long time ago, you were starting to learn how to zip. Wow, look. Unzip. That's what mommy did. Unzipped. Zip, zip, zipper. Now what else do we have? Tie. Tie. Let's see if mommy can do this. Ready? And under. Yay. And pull them apart. And you can practice learning to tie. Have you been practicing learning to tie, Samuel? Now, what about these? Have you learned how to buckle? These are buckles. Buckles. These are hard. These can be difficult. Have you learned? You put it in, and then you take the little thingy and you poke it through like that. Yay! Now 2 of them are buckled. Mommy's gonna try another. Ready? So this goes through. There. And you pull. Yay, you got the first part done. Then this little thing pokes through. Oh, there. It's hard to hold the camera at the same time. Yay, I got all 3 of them done. Now you say buckle. Is that something you've been working on too? I don't know. Now what about buttons? Button. These can sometimes be hard too. Look, buttons. See, watch. Let me try to get this button done. Okay, put it through. And yay, look, yay. Okay, have you been working on buttons? Buttons. And snaps. Watch. Unsnap. Remember when you put on your onesies, mommy would go snap, snap, snap. All three snaps. Snap, snap, snap. Are you doing snaps by yourself, Bubba? I hope you're starting to learn all these things. Ready? Snap. Yay! Snap. So what did we look at? We looked at zip and snap and buttons. Button. Who's got the button? Buckles. Buckle my shoe. And ties. Look, it's a bow tied in a bow. You can tie all sorts of ways. Tie. All right, thanks for looking at those, and I can't wait to help work on those with you, Bubba. Love you.